Howdy partners, welcome back to Flavour Station. Second video of the day, double whammy. Big up if you watched the first one. Now, we're gonna make something a bit restauranty today. We're gonna do some nice chicken breasts with some spice smoked sweet potato puree and some garlic and coriander bonbons and a nice curried yogurt dressing. Keep it locked, you lot smash it. This was an Instagram poll which obviously won, so yeah, this is for you lot that voted. Like and subscribe, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get both our spuds on, right? We've got the sweet potatoes for the puree. We've got white potatoes for the bonbons. There's spuddy buddy. Peel up that bomba. Now, this can be done way in advance, because you can always pop it in the microwave, the puree, and the bonbons we're going to fry later. So chop up your potatoes, not too small, it don't matter. Just make sure when you're peeling your sweet potato, peel it to the bright orange bit. Boom, chop that, job done. Yes, 2 pans. Now for the puree, smoked sea salt. That'll give you that smoky flavour. This is normal sea salt. You want to cook that into it. Garlic, boom. Straight in there, it's going to boil with your potatoes and infuse it rather than having chunks of garlic. Boiling water, we're going to boil these till they're soft. Soften on the head like me. See them ready there? Ready to go on? Ready to boil up and do this something? Now, we're going to make our paneer mixture. Paneer is basically the process of breadcrumbing stuff. So you're going to need eggs, plain flour and breadcrumbs. Whisk up your egg them. The eggs then whisk up. Get them nice and, nice and liquefied. Look how happy them hens were. Now, breadcrumbs. You can make your own, but I buy them because it's easier. Boiling up, boiling up. Jesus! Now we're going to make the yogurt dressing. This is actually soy yogurt. All you need is curry powder, chili flakes, and a little bit of white wine vinegar. Boom. Couple tablespoons of that there. There's your vinegar, chili flakes. Lovely. Yes. Now, curry powder. Even better. This will just lift the dish, man. It'll give you that nice spicy flavour. Remember, this is chicken supreme. Well, chicken breast spicy for date night. You lot voted on Instagram, and I shall make it so. Give that a whisk, and that's it. You want it just that consistency, like a sauce. Now, check if these are soft. If your white potatoes are soft, they look soft to me. You want to drain them and get them as dry as possible. See your garlic there? That's going to get mashed up with it. Sweet potato, press it with the fork. That is puree ready, baby. No messing. Look, strain that. Don't worry about getting it too dry. We're going to get some butter. We're going to give it a nice richness and shine. Liquefied down. Ooh, yes. We've got some cayenne pepper. Come on, man. We've got to make it a bit spicy and a bit more smoked sea salt to season. But always taste as you go, because you don't want it too salty. Grab a sieve. Pusher. Push it, push it. Salt, pepper, push it through the sieve. That will just guarantee that you got no big, hard, weird bits. We're making a puree, baby. It has to be smooth. You don't want a puree, call it a puree, it's coming like mash. No, you got to make sure your puree is pure, eh? You know what I'm saying? See that there? Just make sure you scrape underneath. Look at that bomba. Nice and smooth. Give that a mix. Look at that consistency, bro. No blender needed. Just a sieve and some decent cooking techniques. Now for the bonbons. We're going to mash it up. Salt. Yes. Mash up our brew. Now this is your garlic and coriander. You see the flavours we're coming with? We've got sweetness of sweet potato. We've got smoky flavour. Cayenne pepper. Garlic. Coriander. It's coming like a curry, mate. Garlic, coriander bonbons. Like giving it that cheesy naan flavour. I'd have put some paneer in here, but I didn't have any. Chop that rough, rustic. Bang that in there. No messing. Look. Easy, man. This will impress on date night. You see, we're not allowed out. We're tier 3 right now. Some places are locked down. You want that lovely restaurant food, but you don't want to pay. You don't want a delivery card come cold. You just got to do something like this. Make sure you follow on Instagram @flavour_station to be able to vote on these sort of things, because this is the viewers voted for this, you know, brethren. Yeah, over 100 votes, and this won. So yeah, pinch off, grab a plate, pinch off a small amount. It will expand in the fryer. Remember that. So you just want it small, like bonbon size. Remember bonbons when you were a youth? Yeah, like that big. You're gonna give 3 per portion. Remember, this will be after a starter. You don't want to be too heavy, like it's date night. You see me? It's date night. You want to get a little light and fluffy in the bedroom. You don't want your belly too big. You know what I mean? So yeah, roll out your bonbons. Lovely jubbly. Get another plate. Get your paneer mix. Like flour, egg, breadcrumbs. You know what I want. We're gonna go into the flour. This will soak up any excess moisture and make sure that the eggs stick to the flour, and then the egg is so the breadcrumbs stick to the egg. You see it? That's how you breadcrumb something. It's quite easy. Well, it's called paneer for you ponces out there. It's a paneer. It's a French word. Classic French cooking technique. Flavor station, baby. Educational, entertaining, and flavorful. Drop a comment if you want anything doing. Very obliging to requests. I got a list as long as my arm, but it'll get done. Trust me, I'm patterning up the thing. Now you just roll it around like that. That'll help keep its round shape as well. Don't squash it too much. Be gentle with her. And that's it. 1 garlic and coriander potato bonbon, baby. Flipper, look on this up, man. Me cook like a king. Me eat like a peasant. Yes, lovely. Now we're gonna cook the chicken. If you want to know exactly how to make your chicken crispy and on the outside and really moist and soft in the middle and just perfect basically, then click the cards at the top now and you can watch a video on exactly how to do that. If you watched it already, you're patterned. Right, into the oven, boom. 15 minutes, seal it, oven, 15 minutes, job done. Now oil, you don't need it too big, put a bit of bonbon in there, that's hot enough. Don't need it too deep, because these ain't deep. It's not that deep, blood. It's not that deep, brethren. You just gotta make sure that they're not half submerged. You can roll them around and ting, man. Oh, it's starting to rain. Sorry if you're picking that up. I'm out in the car, mate. This is real life, you know. I'm gonna have a production studio and a development kitchen and a food van one day. Watch. Anyone selling a shipping container? Anyway, yeah, so when your bonbons are in there, you just move them about. Remember, your mash is cooked, everything's cooked. Your coriander doesn't need to be cooked through. Your garlic's cooked because you boiled them with your potatoes. All you gotta make sure is this is crispy. And some will pop off, yeah, like that. See it there? Some will pop off, but you know, it's one of them, innit? Double coat it if you're scared. You just gotta make sure they're warm through. They don't take 10 minutes. They take about 3-4 minutes and it's job done. Make sure you've got your trusty paper towel ready and a plate to remove that fat. Remember, you can lessen a meal's fat content by 25%, even pizza, just by patting the top of that dirty liquid fat. You're gonna swallow it and put it down in the thing. Not sure what I'm doing down there. Is this an editing error? No, I was grabbing a spoon. Gotcha. Come on, I'm patterned, man. 2 videos today. Yes. Rest your chicken. Give it a minute or two. 2 minutes. Look at that. You ain't cooking chicken like that, man. Oh, just check my channel. The last video I released before this one, it was just how to cook chicken perfect, and it was perfect. It's only 3-4 minutes long, and it was a skill you will have for the rest of your life, and everyone will love ya. I'm telling ya, I'm the best at chicken, blood. Just give that a slice. I'm even going to show you how to plate this one. We might as well plate it together, innit? We are flavour chasers after all. Look at that. Lovely white meat, moist, crispy skin. You got that lovely supreme. Can we get a closer look? Oh, chef. Oh, baby. Oh, what have we done here? We've made magic. That's what we've done. Yeah, boy. Grab a nice plate. Old tight Will Betts. He loves these. He's got 6 of them. I think he bought them all because there was only 1 left. Come with that with your chicken. Then you got your dressing, sauce, dressing, yogurt. It is what it is, man. 3 of them on there. Nice little midweek date night treat. Yeah, man. Not too small, not too big. Decent presentation. It's alright, man. It's good for the week, isn't it? You and your missus, or your fella, or whoever can chow down, brother. Hey! Cheers!
Flavor Station.